Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Google Ads to BigQuery, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from Google Ads to BigQuery, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu in the top right corner. Under Measurement, select Reporting API. Make sure you have the Next, create a new project in the Google Cloud Console. Go to the API and Services section and enable the Google Ads API. Then, set up BigQuery in the same Google Cloud project. After that, navigate to the Service Accounts tab. Click on Create Service Account to generate a new service account. Give your service account a name and description, then click Create. In the next step, grant the service account access to BigQuery. Choose the appropriate roles, such as BigQuery Data Editor and BigQuery Job User. Click Continue to finish creating the service account. Next, generate a key for your service account by selecting Add Key and Create New Key. Choose JSON as the key type, then download the key file. Store the key file securely, as it contains sensitive credentials. Now, open your terminal or command prompt to set up the transfer process. Install the Google Cloud SDK and ensure it's up to date. Authenticate your Google Cloud account using the command CloudAuth activate service account with the path to your service account key. Configure the Google Ads API library for your programming language of choice. For Python, install the necessary libraries using pip, like Google Ads and Google Cloud BigQuery. Write a script to fetch your desired Google Ads data using the Google Ads API client. Ensure your script specifies the fields and metrics you want to retrieve. Run your script to extract the data from Google Ads. Once you have the data, format it appropriately. Next, use the BigQuery API or client library to upload the extracted data. Create a new dataset in BigQuery as the destination for your Google Ads data. Then, create a table within that dataset that matches the schema of your data. Upload your data into the newly created table using the BigQuery data loading options. Finally, verify that your data has been successfully transferred by querying the newly created table in BigQuery. Make sure all your data looks correct and is ready for analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.